In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your video recording quality on Riverside. First off, let's talk about your browser choice because it plays a crucial role in your overall experience. For the best results, it's highly recommended to use Google Chrome. Chrome is well optimized for Riverside's platform, ensuring that everything runs smoothly during your recording sessions. Now, let's discuss browser extensions, which can sometimes be the sneaky culprits behind quality issues. Certain extensions, like the DuckDuckGo extension, might interfere with your video quality and performance. If you find yourself facing unexpected glitches, try disabling any unnecessary extensions. Alternatively, you could use a dedicated browser like Microsoft Edge in a private window. This approach can be quite effective in isolating and solving any conflicts caused by extensions, allowing for a smoother experience. Before diving into your recording session, it's vital to test your setup. Riverside provides a handy built-in device tester right on its dashboard. Use this tool to check that your camera, microphone, and internet connection are all in good working order. Taking a few minutes to run these tests can save you a lot of hassle and help ensure that your recording goes off without a hitch. Speaking of your internet connection, even though Riverside records directly onto your device, you'll still need a stable connection to upload the files once your session is complete. Whenever possible, use an Ethernet cable, as this will provide a more stable and reliable connection compared to Wi-Fi. Be sure to check that you're meeting the minimum recommended upload speed, which can usually be found in Riverside's guidelines. Lighting is another aspect that can make a significant difference in the quality of your recordings. Try to record in a well-lit space. Natural light tends to be the most flattering and effective. If natural light isn't available, consider using additional lighting sources like lamps or light panels to brighten up your recording environment. Lastly, if you encounter any issues during your session, don't panic. Often a simple restart can resolve unexpected hiccups. It can be as easy as asking your guests to leave the studio and rejoin, or by simply restarting the browser itself. These quick actions can clear up any temporary bugs or issues, allowing you to resume your session with improved stability. By following these steps, you'll enhance the quality of your recordings on Riverside, ensuring a professional and seamless experience. Thanks for watching, and happy recording.